First question: What is the full form of SBI? Answer: State Bank of India (SBI). What is the full form of RBI? Answer: Reserve Bank of India (RBI). What is the full form of BOI? Answer: Bank of India (BOI). What is the full form of ADB? Answer: Asian Development Bank (ADB). What is the full form of ICICI? Answer: Industrial Credit and Investment Corporation of India (ICICI). What is the full form of UCO? Answer: United Commercial Bank (UCO). What is the full form of PNB? Answer: Punjab National Bank (PNB). What is the full form of IDBI Bank? Answer: Industrial Development Bank of India (IDBI). What is the full form of BOB Bank? Answer: Bank of Baroda (BOB). What is the full form of IOB Bank? Answer: Indian Overseas Bank. What is the full form of CCB Bank? Answer: Central Cooperative Bank (CCB). What is the full form of OBC Bank? Answer: Oriental Bank of Commerce. What is the full form of SIDBI Bank? Answer: Small Industries Development Bank of India (SIDBI). What is the full form of BOM Bank? Answer: Bank of Maharashtra. What is the full form of UCB Bank? Answer: Urban Cooperative Bank. What is the full form of KMB Bank? Answer: Kotak Mahindra Bank. What is the full form of DCB Bank? Answer: Development Cooperative Bank. What is the full form of RRB Bank? Answer: Regional Rural Bank (RRB). What is the full form of BOR Bank? Answer: Bank of Rajasthan. What is the full form of CUB Bank? Answer: City Union Bank (CUB). What is the full form of LVB Bank? Answer: Lakshmi Vilas Bank. What is the full form of SIB Bank? Answer: South Indian Bank (SIB). What is the full form of DB Bank? Answer: Dena Bank DB. What is the full form of IIBI Bank? Answer: Industrial Investment Bank of India (IIBI). What is the full form of NHB Bank? Answer: National Housing Bank (NHB). What is the full form of AB Bank? Answer: Allahabad Bank (AB). What is the full form of CBI Bank? Answer: Central Bank of India (CBI). What is the full form of CB Bank? Answer: Canara Bank (CB). What is the full form of IB Bank? Answer: Indian Bank (IB). What is the full form of VB Bank? Answer: Vijay Bank (VB). What is the full form of ECB Bank? Answer: European Central Bank (ECB). What is the full form of IBA? Answer: Indian Bank Association (IBA). What is the full form of NABARD? Answer: National Bank for Agricultural and Rural Development. What is the full form of EMI? Answer: Equated Monthly Installment. What is the full form of LDB? Answer: Land Development Bank. What is the full form of JPB? Answer: Jio Payments Bank (JPB). What is the full form of DCB? Answer: District Central Cooperative Bank (DCB). What is the full form of KYC? Answer: Know Your Customer (KYC). What is the full form of TDS? Answer: Tax deducted at source. What is the full form of PAN? Answer: Permanent Account Number (PAN). What is the full form of UOB? Answer United Overseas Bank UOB. What is the full form of APB? Answer Airtel Payments Bank APB. What is the full form of ICBC? Answer Industrial and Commercial Bank of China. What is the full form of ADCB? Answer Abu Dhabi Commercial Bank ADCB. What is the full form of UPIN? Answer Unique Property Identification Number UPIN. What is the full form of HDFC? Answer Housing Development Finance Corporation HDFC. What is the full form of AB Bank? Answer Andhra Bank. What is the full form of IDFC? Answer Infrastructure Development Finance Company. What is the full form of IFSC? Answer Indian Financial System Code IFSC. What is the full form of INR? Answer the Indian Rupee. What is the full form of BMB? Answer Bharatiya Mahila Bank BMB. What is the full form of NEFT? Answer National Electronics Fund Transfer NEFT. What is the full form of PSB? Answer Punjab and Sindh Bank PSB. What is the full form of EFT? Answer Electronics Fund Transfer EFT. What is the full form of RBS? Answer Royal Bank of Scotland RBS. What is the full form of DICGC? Answer Deposit Insurance and Credit Guarantee Corporation. What is the full form of NCBE? Answer National Confederation Bank Employees NCBE. What is the full form of CB Bank? Answer Corporation Bank. What is the full form of GDR? Answer Global Depository Receipt GDR. What is the full form of ADF? Answer Asian Development Fund. What is the full form of ABPB? Answer Aditya Birla Payment Bank ABPB. What is the full form of JKB? Answer Jammu and Kashmir Bank JKB. What is the full form of UAN? Answer Universal Account Number. What is the full form of DBOD? Answer Department of Banking Operation and Development DBOD. What is the full form of NIL? Answer Net Interest Income. What is the full form of PPB? Answer Payment Paytm Bank PPB. What is the full form of OSCB? Answer Odisha State Cooperative Bank OSCB. What is the full form of FEMA? Answer Foreign Exchange Management Act FEMA. What is the full form of EPS? Answer Earning Per Share EPS. What is the full form of GDP? Answer Gross Domestic Product GDP. What is the full form of GST? Answer Goods and Service Tax GST. What is the full form of GNP? Answer Gross National Product GNP. What is the full form of GSTN? Answer Goods and Service Network. What is the full form of IPPB? Answer India Post Payment Bank IPPB. What is the full form of IMF? Answer International Monetary Fund IMF. What is the full form of KCC? Answer Kisan Credit Card KCC. What is the full form of MICR? Answer Magnetic Ink Character Recognition. What is the full form of NPCI? Answer National Payment Corporation of India NPCI. What is the full form of NEFT? Answer National Electronic Fund Transfer NEFT. What is the full form of NASSCOM? Answer National Association of Software and Services Companies. What is the full form of NIIF? Answer: National Investment and Infrastructure Fund. What is the full form of NABARD? Answer: National Bank for Agricultural and Rural Development, NABARD. What is the full form of OTP? Answer: One time password, OTP. What is the full form of RTGS? Answer: Real time gross settlement, RTGS. What is the full form of Sensex? Answer: Sensitivity Index of Stock Exchange. What is the full form of UIDAI? Answer: Unique Identification Development Authority of India, UIDAI. What is the full form of UPI? Answer: United Payment Interface, UPI. What is the full form of AIDS? Answer: Acquired Immunodeficiency Syndrome, AIDS. What is the full form of AMUL? Answer: Anand Milk Union Limited, AMUL. What is the full form of ATM? Answer: Automated Teller Machine, ATM. What is the full form of BCCI? Answer: Board of Control of Cricket in India, BCCI. What is the full form of BHIM? Answer: Bharat Interface for Money, BHIM. What is the full form of CAG? Answer: Comptroller and Auditor General of India, CAG. What is the full form of CBI? Answer: Central Bureau of Investigation and Central Bank of India. What is the full form of CBSE? Answer: Central Board of Secondary Education, CBSE. What is the full form of CID? Answer: Crime Investigation Department, CID. What is the full form of CISF? Answer: Central Industrial Security Force, CISF. What is the full form of COVID-19? Answer: Coronavirus Disease of 2019. What is the full form of CPU? Answer: Central Processing Unit, CPU. What is the full form of CRPF? Answer: Central Reserve Police Force, CRPF. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for all types of English general knowledge.